prone back extension or a modified Pilates swan. The purpose of this exercise is to increase extension of your spine, specifically your thoracic spine. You're going to place your hands underneath your shoulders. Press your pelvis firmly into the mat. Elbows reaching back to your heels. You'll start to press into your hands, sliding your shoulder blades down towards your back hip pockets. Using your arms here, see if you can start to feel stretch through your front body, through your abdomen, your upper abdomen. And then release down. Usually an inhale to press up and an exhale to release down.